Hello, this is Dharmishta. Today we will learn how to create a chart in Excel 2013. First of all, generate the table in MS Excel sheet. In this way, insert the record. On the base of this record or table, we can generate chart. See in this way. First of all, select the table, then insert tab, then charts group, then select their line chart. In this way, line chart, then click on OK. See here, blue color represent revenue and red color represent expenditure. In this way, we can generate line chart. Now next one is column chart. First of all, make a table, then select data. See in this way, insert, then chart group. Here we select column chart. See in this way. Here we can see blue color represent revenue and red color represent expenditure. Third one is bar chart. Again, make a table. On the base of this table, we will generate bar chart. In this way, select the table, then all chart, then select their bar chart. In this way, we can generate a bar chart. Same thing, blue color represent revenue and red color represent expenditure.